Good morning, Canada. Ayan. Snow not yet finished. Starting again. Old snow covered by new snow. Ayan. We're here at Jane and Wilson Street. Walking around the street. Ayan. Snow not yet over. This is the present situation now. Oops. Kung maghapong na mag-snow, may hirapan na naman. In spite of effort, a few days removing the snow on the street and the walkway, another work again by the government removing the snow again. Ayan. Look. February 27, 7:35 in the morning. Walking on the street, going to my first client this morning, scheduled at 8 o'clock. Yan. That's part of life here in Canada. In spite of snow, let's do our job. One person putting salt on the ground. Okay, snow covering the car. New snow. We're here around the street of Jane. Small plaza. And there's a Walmart there, Tim Hortons, Pizza Nova. Ayan. Big building. Small building. There's a Toronto fire station. Always available. Fireman just in case there's a accident on the street, easily helping. Yep. Yan. Parking area at the back. We're almost near to my first client. Yeah, I'm going to that building. Giving nursing job. Almost close to that job description. I am a personal support worker. This is the parking area of this building. Let's go upstairs. Make a shortcut. Almost white. Old snow covered with the new drops of snow. There's a bus stop there and there, and on this side passengers waiting for the bus. Now it's coming. Express, regular bus. Okay, I'm going to my first client. See you on my next video. Bye bye. Thank you.